From the compact view, to access your chart data, click on Actions just over here. From the full view, click on the chart just over here. Now, a few things that you can see when looking at the chart data. At the top, you see your ASIN's title, you see the ASIN. Any major alerts appear over here. You can change the date range to a week, a month, 3 months, 1 year, or all. If you wish to zoom on a specific time period, just drag and drop it within there. You can switch around to 3 months or 1 year after that. All the relevant chart information is displayed here. Amazon, your break-even line is displayed within the chart. The buy box line, new sellers, new FBA, new FBM, and the sales rank. In the bottom chart, you'll see other information. For example, you can see the offer count, review count, monthly sold. The average offers is the black line running through the middle, and you can see the ratings. If you wish to download this chart to send it to someone, you can download it or copy it. You can see an image of the ASIN here. You can see how many buy box contenders there are, the monthly sales, the available stock of all the sellers, how many FBA and FBM offers there are, the lowest FBA seller, the lowest FBM seller historically, how long it will take to sell this off completely considering all the available stock. For this one here, it's 13 weeks, and the average offer price. Towards the bottom, you see all the offers. For example, you can see the seller's names, their pricing, including shipping, the type, if they're FBA, FBM, or Amazon, their ratings and their reviews, the percentage of the buy box that they've won over the last 30 days, and you can switch this around and see different time periods. You can see the estimated amount of units that they've sold in the last 30 days, and you can see how many available units of stock they have at the moment. All these information points can also be sorted.